I've started my vlogs with a lot of strange things, but when you start a vlog with a 20-foot steel dandelion on the side of the road, you know it's going to be an outstanding vlog. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Canandaigua, New York. This is the Sonnenberg Mansion and Gardens. Beautiful 70-degree day. Michelle and I just needed to get out of Buffalo and get a change of scenery. So we're here to kind of take a walk around, check out the gardens, have a look at this mansion behind me. Don't know what we're gonna find, but I'm sure it's gonna be a cool adventure. Already got our tickets. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along.
Camcorder. Mine. No way.
So this is downtown Canandaigua on this beautiful, beautiful day. And before our adventure, we're stopping for a little bit of breakfast at this Simply Crepes restaurant. And look at this, 2 weeks in a row, we've got the lovely Michelle, Mrs. Heavy, is joining us on this adventure. And you know me, I absolutely love old architecture like this. These upstate New York cities that have all this beautiful brick front, 2 to 3 story buildings right on the main street. Absolutely love it. And Michelle just pointed this out. I mean, this building over here, it looks almost German and Bavarian, where this one over here looks Parisian. Like you'd see that walking right down the Champs-Elysees in Paris. Just look at all the old lead on the window. I love lead windows like that, and absolutely gorgeous. There's also this little treasure. I mean, this is kind of tucked away. It's a cut through from the main street to the parking lot, but we've got this really nice mural here. I love it when I discover stuff like this that was completely unintentional and unplanned. Very awesome. Just sitting waiting for a table. Couldn't be a more gorgeous day, could it? No. So I've got the maple sausage stackers. That's crepes, eggs, and sausage. Michelle got the crepes, the breakfast crepes. Oh yeah, good stuff. And she got a nice smoothie here too, so enjoy. Yeah, just getting the view from the parking lot. Looks good from here. German for Sunny Hill, Sonnenberg was the summer home of Frederick and Mary Clark Thompson. The primary residence was in New York City, where Frederick was a founder and director of the First National Bank of New York City, now known as Citibank. The couple purchased the 40-acre property in 1863 and built the 40-room mansion at around 1885. The gardens that exist today were developed by landscape architect John Handrahan between 1903 and 1920. Frederick passed away in 1899 and Mary finally in 1923. The property changed hands a few times until it was finally purchased by the New York State Office of Parks in 2005, who maintains it to this day. An interesting fact about Mary was that she held a ticket to travel on the ill-fated Titanic and canceled at the last minute to attend a flower show. The little map of the place to start off with. There's some greenhouses here. I'm not sure, was that a visitor center or... Oh, it's the gift shop. For some reason, I'm finding myself really digging on these signs here. I think that's just very cool. Very, very cool. I really, really like this very, very old, very weathered greenhouse here. Not much going on in there, but kind of cool. I don't think they have any panels on the ceiling there. Huh. It's almost like exploring abandoned, but it's still being used. I think he's coming to see me here. Yeah, he's definitely coming up to say hello. Or maybe he's looking for some food. I don't know, but yeah, look at this. Look, he's coming right up to me. Hello, little Japanese carp. Very friendly wildlife here. There's a turtle and another Japanese carp, but there's 2 of them coming right up. I wish I had something to feed you. I'm sorry I don't. Even the turtle wants to get in on the action. This is kind of an unusual tree. It's like sad tree. It's just very droopy, and it's quite alive. I mean, the leaves are quite green and it's blooming nicely, but it's just I don't know, sad tree. This looks like the entrance to the Japanese garden. Look at that shot right there. Beautiful. Really love this bridge right here. This is kind of reminding me of Sedona here. This looks like it's the remnants of a Roman bath from 1913. So apparently the water was filtered and heated from Lake Canandaigua and brought in here, which is what makes it a Roman bath versus just a standard swimming pool. Here's like an exterior shot of that Roman bath, and absolutely love the brick, absolutely love the roofing that they used. Thinking I'm seeing the mansion peeking through here. This is known as the ruins of the Temple of Diana. Well, this is kind of nifty. There's a cardinal over there too. See him in the bird bath? Got some, I think they're called grotesques. I could be wrong. I have to double check that. This is the centerpiece of this garden. I'm not exactly sure who that is, but it looked like at one time it was a functional fountain. So this is kind of nifty. This is the rose garden. Now it's a little early in the season for roses, but that's really cool. This kind of has the same look in Delaware Park. If you've seen my vlog on Delaware Park, it's a similar pergola sort of situation. Well, this looks kind of neat. I'd like to go up on top, but I'm guessing no. Oh yeah, well, that doesn't look too healthy, so probably not safe. Imagine you're coming home to this. You just walk to your front door and there's home. Amazing. And the insane thing is, this was a summer home. This wasn't their full-time residence. Their full-time residence was in New York City. This was their summer cottage. Wow. As we're approaching the mansion, I always have to make a Disney reference. I kind of get this like Tower of Terror thing going on with the gardens and the stone, but that's, imagine just coming home to this. Well, coming home for the summer to this. Spectacular. Wow, Rocky Mountain. You know, this is the life. I thought it was Tudor architecture, but it's actually referred to as Queen Anne architecture. I love the vines growing up the side here. Very nifty. And everybody should have a fountain right next to the entrance of the library. I mean, these steps are fantastic. This is known as the blue and white garden because they're only allowed to have blue or white flowers here. Is it Athena? I don't know. I absolutely love that porch. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at those windows. Just everything about this house. Wow. Guess this would be the carriage porch. Now this is interesting. This is a seat that the coachman would sit in and wait for guests to arrive or for the residents to leave so they could take them out where they needed. The coach would actually be parked right here. This original railing was not here, and you could basically either step onto a coach or mount a horse at this level. Now this is very fascinating. The guy just pointed this out to us. If you look at all these columns, and this one here is completely worn, this is from years and years of tying horses to this post. The rains have worn it away. That's very cool. Fascinating. Actually a working fountain here. There's a relief here. Statue right here. Absolutely love stuff like that. Let's go and check it out. Mansion's open. Right off the bat, there's an elevator here. That's very, very cool. Looks like there's a billiards room. Look at those windows from the inside.
Pictures and all the sink under friends did. So when they came to visit, everyone was on the third floor. There's a stage up there where the kids. It's very cool. It's very cool.
Is that open?
This is the dining area. Quite elegant. And of course the grand staircase going up. Unfortunately the second floor is closed right now. But very cool. I love the skylight. This is the study, or the library, where they go for tea. Oh, now this is the library. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous room. Fireplace. Wow. And when I look at a room like this, I can't help but wonder why I wasn't born rich instead of good looking. This is kind of touching in my world here. This is a very old 8x10 camera from 1902. This is kind of cool. It's called a Porter music box, and you can see there's a disc there, and it's like a music box that you would have like in a jewelry box or something like that. But the discs were interchangeable, so you constantly could change what you were listening to, sort of like a predecessor to the record. Another pretty intricate music box right here. Looks like there's a drum in there and some bells. That's very cool. Yeah, I could get quite used to living in a house like this. I think so. Yeah, I'll just leave this here for your interpretation. Although that's a very unique light fixture. I've never seen anything like that before. Kind of looks like a Christmas light. Hand carved wood columns here.
We used to years ago.
Entering the rock garden here. See what is around the corner. Neat little arch here. And a staircase that goes up there. Let's see what's up there. Well, the view from up here is kind of impressive. Yeah. Go through the trees here. Not exactly sure what that is, but looks kind of spooky. It's the old carriage house right here. Yeah, we found the carriages. Here they are. I think that is an old fire truck. Yes, that is the old fire truck. But yeah, this is the equivalent of basically a Mercedes-Benz back then. Another one here. This is known as the Peacock House, where they used to, it was an aviary where they had a collection of peacocks and other wild birds. I believe it mentioned something about $20,000 worth of birds at the time. Going into the greenhouses now. Oh wow. You could feel the humidity and heat in this greenhouse. Looks like I got some cactus in here. Looks like we come out here. We're right where we started again. That's going to do it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up down below, share this video, and tell your friends. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other vlogs. If you like them, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of any future vlogs I put up. Till next time, signing off from Canandaigua, New York. Bye-bye. And look at this, 2 weeks in a row, we've got the lovely Mrs. Helly. Oh, I screwed that up. Let's try that again. This is the centerpiece of this garden. It's, oh, Michelle just sneezed. Bless you. This is a graveyard of old refrigerators. I don't think we're supposed to be back here, actually. I think this gate's supposed to be closed. But yeah. There's a beautiful mansion to tour. All kinds of cool things to see just yet. Already got my tickets. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along. Hi, Michelle. Walking through my shot. It's a sneeze. Oh, pollen. That's going to do it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it.